Today I am going to solve an Excel assignment, EXP19 Excel Chapter 12 ML2 Travel Expense. I will provide you help in online courses, computer science, business management, math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics and information technology, applied science and many more. Now we will move to our Excel assignment project description. Here he is telling us about you are a financial analyst for a VJD financial wealth management company with 10 offices located across the United States. Currently you are traveling account executes send receipt through inner office mail to documents their travel expenses. You want to create a template to standardize the documents process. To minimize the amount of development time required, you will download and edit existing template from the office.com. You will customize the template by editing field, adding comments and creating the custom function using VBA. That's our job responsibilities he is telling us about in project description. So we will move to our assignment. In our first step he is telling us about the downloading of the Excel sheet. I have already downloaded the Excel sheet. In second step, select the range A1 to J16 and clear the all data validation that was included in the worksheet. So we will go to the Excel sheet. We will select to A1 to J16. Here is our J16 and we need to clear all the validation. So we will go to the data tab and here in the data tools we will select data validation. The selection contain more than one type of validation. Erase current setting and continue. We will press OK and we will clear this one, clear all and then press OK. Now all the data validation from this sheet are removed. That's our second step. Our third step is in cell B7 type mileage rate. We will just type mileage rate in B7. Mileage rate. That's our third step. Our fourth step is click cell C7, align left in the alignment group. So we will go to the cell C7. Here is our cell C7, it's already merged. We will go to the home tab and that is the align left. We will click on this. So we have left align this cell and type 0.25 and we need to type here 0.25. You see when we type it's already align left. So that's our fourth step. Our fifth step is insert a column after column D. So we will go to our Excel sheet. We will press on we will click on the column E and then we will press the right button on our mouse and we will press on insert and you see when you click, when you want to put any column besides on the right side of the previous columns, you will select the left right column, then you will insert, then its column is inserted on the left side of the column you selected. So our column is now added on the right side of the column, on the left side of the column E. So we will name the column as the miles. We will copy this and paste it in the here in the column 1 place, miles. That's our 5th step. Our 6th step is use the VBA editor to create a custom function named mileage. Type the following codes. We will go to our Excel sheet. When you open your Excel sheet, maybe you don't have a developer tab, then you will go to the files and then you will move to the more and you select options. Here you will go to the customize ribbon and from popular command you will select the main tabs, and from here you will add the developer tab. So you can easily get the developer tab on your ribbon. I have already the developer tab, so I will go to the developer tab and I will use Visual Basic. We will open this. So what is he saying? Name the function mileage. So we need to enter some codes. We will add this one, view codes. We will go to the view codes and here we don't have any codes. We will press here mileage. That's our function title, function name. Type the following code to do the create the custom function. We will copy this one and paste it here. Then the second row we need to copy then the third row you need to copy and paste it here, and that's our coding. He is saying in the number 6 step. That's our number 6 step. We have total 11 steps in this assignment. If you need help about the remaining step, or if you don't understand any step I have done in this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp, or you can contact me through my email which is given in the description, or you can directly comment on my video, so I will get you soon. Thank you.